Have you ever wanted to turn your ideas into videos without editing skills? What if you could create an entire video just from text? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn text into videos using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your script. This can be anything, a YouTube idea, a blog post, or even simple notes. If you don't have a script, you can generate one using ChatGPT. Just type your topic, and your script is ready in seconds. Step 2. Convert your text into a video. Go to tools like Pictory or Lumen 5. Paste your script, and the AI will automatically create scenes, visuals, and video clips for you. It literally builds your video in minutes. Step 3. Add AI voiceover. Use tools like ElevenLabs or Murf AI. Paste your script, choose a voice, and generate a realistic voiceover instantly. Step 4. Customize your video. Now edit your video inside the platform. Change clips, adjust text, add subtitles, and match visuals with your script. Keep it simple and clean. Step 5. Add background music. Most AI tools already provide music, but you can also upload your own to match the mood of your video. This makes your video more engaging and professional. Step 6. Export your video. Choose high quality, usually 1080p. Download your video, and now it's ready to upload on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And that's it. You just created a full video using only text. The best part? You don't need a camera, editing skills, or expensive software. Just an idea, and AI does the rest. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to AI Tools 101. And comment below, what video are you going to create using AI? See you in the next video.